KENWOOD D75, add a memory channel. Go to VFO by pressing number 1, press enter, type your frequency, choose your tone here and here, and tone shift, then press F, memory in, go down, choose a space, enter, and then you've got the edit option here. You can add a name by turning the top knob, moving across to the right, press enter, and then menu to come out, back out, and you now have, press the PTT if it won't come out, you now have a memory channel. Hold it to the right arrow, to change groups. To scan, hold number 1. Scan memory channels and VFO channels. Bye for now.